Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Now before I get into today's video, I'm going to ask you, if you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. So with that being said, let's begin. Alright guys, so for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to prepare some beef liver with some plantain and yam. So as you guys can see, my liver's already been cleaned, so what I'll do next is add my seasoning, which would be this right here. This is some of my Haitian épices mixed with some chicken bouillon powder, a little salt, Louisiana hot sauce, and then over here I have one small sweet pepper with some cloves poked into it. So I'll be showing you guys how to add all those ingredients together, and then after that we'll move on to the next step.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so I'm getting ready to put in my marinade sauce and my liver. So what I'll do, I'll just spread it on them evenly, just like that. And I'll be using a bigger spoon, using a wooden spoon to kind of mix it around, just so all those pieces can get some of the Haitian épices marinade coating on them, just like that. And then I will go ahead and put in my pepper with the cloves poked into it, right in there. And that'll be it. I'll just throw it on the stove, let it cook, and then I'll move on to my plantains and the yam. So I'll show you guys that step next. Okay guys, now that I've put my liver on the stove to be cooked, I'm gonna let it come to a boil. So while I'm waiting on that, I'm gonna move on to my plantain and my yam. Okay, so as I mentioned before, these are my plantains and my yam. I'll be peeling the skin off the plantain, also on the yam. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick, and I'll show you guys how they look after.
5 minutes later.
Okay guys, so this is how my plantain and my yam looks after they've been peeled. So right now I'm gonna go ahead, turn on the stove, let them boil till they're cooked. Also, I put in some salt for taste. And as you guys can see, also my liver boiling nice and slow. So once everything is getting ready to be done, I'll show you guys how they look. Stay tuned. Okay guys, as you can see, my liver is all cooked up. What I'm getting ready to do next is drain the remaining water from it, and then I'm gonna fry it for a little bit so I can add some tomato paste for color, and then I'll add the remaining water back in it to make the sauce with it. Okay, as you guys can see, the remove them from the water, and now I'm frying them for a quick 5 minutes, just so they can get a nice golden brown color. And then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and add some of my tomato paste in it, and then I'll put back in the remaining water. Okay guys, so this is what you're looking for after you've added your tomato paste and mix it well in there. Alright, let your tomato paste cook for a good minute, minute and a half, and then we'll add the remaining water that we drained out from it. Then we'll add some onions, and we'll be done. So I'll show you guys that step next. Okay guys, so water's in. Now add more water if needed, if your sauce is too thick, because the liver tends to be, once it's boiling, it breaks a little bit, so there's a lot of little pieces that can cause your sauce to be a lot thicker. So add water if needed. Now let your water come to a boil. Add a little extra salt and seasoning if needed, and then we'll add the onions in there, and we'll be done.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay guys, so I've added some onions and also some of orange bell pepper slices. So pretty much my sauce is done. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and start fixing a plate, and I'll show you guys the final result. Okay guys, so final result of my beef liver, plantain, and yam. So if you guys enjoy watching this video, please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.